Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 camera light box. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, Uze Studio 60cm Photo Studio Box. Specifications. Brand name, Uze Studio. Size, WXHXD, 60 cm. Weight, about 5 kg. Model number, photo tent. Size, M package, yes. Bundle 1. Material, nylon. Product name, LED Studio Box. Size, 60 cm. Type, foldable. The item number 2 is Uze Studio Photo Box. Specifications. Brand name, Uze Studio. Origin, mainland China. Size, WXHXD, 40 by 40 by 40 cm. Weight, 3 kilograms. Bundle 1. Material, nylon. Size, S package, yes. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Hulu's 40 cm Folding Studio Shooting Tent Soft Box. Specifications. Brand name, Hulu's. Origin, mainland China. Size, WXHXD, 40 by 40 by 40 cm. Model number, PU5042. Shape, square. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.